beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you through a week in my hair, the blowout edition. This is the first style of the week, a side part, and I'll link above the video where I show you how I did it. At night I like to twist up my hair to maintain the wave pattern for the next day. On night 1, I'm doing 4 twists on my whole head. Can't forget my satin bonnet. Now we're on to day 2. Normally I like to wear my hair in a half up, half down style to elongate the curls throughout the day. Now into the nighttime, you'll see that I decided to put my hair into 6 sections this night because I wanted tighter curls for the next morning. Always remember to be gentle with your hair. You don't want to cause unnecessary breakage. I just wanted to point out, I'm not twisting my hair, I'm just doing a traditional bantu knot. Today I decided to wear my hair down in the center part. I prefer bantu knot curls to twist bantu knot curls because the former has more of a spiral shape, which I prefer. So tonight we're trying something different. I decided to put my hair in 2 braids to elongate them for the next day. Don't be afraid to redo a section if it doesn't come out the way that you want it. Can you see what's happening there? My hair needs a trim. That's one thing that I tend to do on an ad hoc basis. Whenever I see my hair needs a trim, I give it a trim. And I trim my hair based on how it feels. Looking back at my hair, I should have left it down, but honestly today I didn't know what to do with my hair. I guess that will work. Throughout the week, my hair was getting progressively drier, so that night I decided to re-moisturize. My hair turned out more shrunken than expected, so I decided to brush it out again. Make sure that you use a brush that is made for detangling your type of hair. You don't want to cause any unnecessary breakage. I decided to wear my hair in a bun. At this point, it will probably stay in that bun for the rest of the week, or I'll have different variations of a bun. There's no need for me to twist up my hair because I won't be wearing it down for the rest of the week. Now this is my favorite hairstyle of all of them. I wear it whenever I can, at work, at home. I just love the innocence of it. So this is where I'll end off the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video to everybody you know. And I will see you next time. Bye.